together to a common love, dear goal. Steady sunward, though the weather hide the white and treasure show. Lift up your head to the rising sun, the homeland, till the road you've trod lead unto your God. March on, the homeland.
Go. I pledge my allegiance to the flag and to the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, for which it stands, one people united in love and service.
Good afternoon. Today's assembly is commemorating World Teachers' Day. Please listen attentively as Lucayan tells us why it is important for us to recognize this day. At the end of the assembly, I would like for you to think about every teacher who has helped you during this COVID time, who has helped to bring learning into your homes, and now that we're on campus, into your classroom. And once you've thought about them, I want you to show them a little bit of appreciation for all that they have done to make sure that during COVID times, you have not been disadvantaged in your learning.
What do students around the world have in common? Hopes, dreams, yes, but also teachers. So many of the things we know how to do in our lives are thanks to a teacher. Thanks to a teacher, you've learned how to learn. It's their skill and passion that inspire students and help them realize their dreams, which can lead to a better world for us all. We thank doctors and nurses for saving lives. We thank police officers and firefighters for protecting us. We thank artists and writers for advancing our cultures. How often do we take the time to thank teachers for helping us achieve our goals, for empowering our workforce of tomorrow, and for showing us that we can change the world? Every day is the best day to thank a teacher.
Right now there is a kindergarten teacher perusing the aisles of Target, even though he still has 2 more weeks of summer break. He is already dreaming up ways to make his students feel welcome. His classroom will be a refuge For a few kids, it may be the only place where they feel truly safe because of a teacher. There's a language arts teacher who will take a week and give up her lunch period, those blessed 26 minutes to scarf down a meal, in order to help a student learn how to read. And although the progress is slow, this boy will become a reader because of a teacher. There's a math teacher who will have a room full of kids who claim that they're just not good at math. By the end of the year, his kids will be geeking out over ways to solve complex problems. They'll see that math can be creative and even fun, and they will become problem solvers because of a teacher. There's a science teacher who will inspire her students to chase after questions. And one afternoon, they'll be so excited about their experiments that they won't even notice the bell ring. And they will become scientists because of a teacher. There are history teachers who will inspire students to record history, and a group of PE teachers who will encourage kids to get more active. There are technology teachers who will help students send their work to the world, and fine art teachers who will get kids to find their creative voice. There are foreign language teachers who will help kids communicate globally. And there are CTE teachers preparing students for all kinds of jobs. And there's this teacher librarian who will see the students as children and not data. He's creating a makerspace while also inspiring kids to fall in love with reading. And they will become lifelong learners because of a teacher. And right now there's a 4th grade teacher with a scribbled up yellow legal pad. She's dreaming up wild new projects, and even though she jokes about not wanting to go back to school, she is secretly excited about meeting her new group of students. This is her 27th year, and she's still taking creative risks. To her, it's no big deal. It's what she does. But it's a big deal to her students. To them, she is a hero. And this year, she will make her students' world epic, like she always does. They will remember her forever, and she will change the world in ways that she cannot even fathom. And all of this will happen because of a teacher.
I like Miss Sands, my advisory teacher, because she's always so nice and enthusiastic.
Thank you, Ms. Finch, for being an amazing geography teacher.
Thank you, Ms. Finch, for being a great teacher.
And thank you for giving us good feedback.
Thank you, Ms. Ferguson, for your explanations and for making science so easy.
Thank you, Ms. Gibbs, for teaching us all about citizenship, level up, and social studies. Hope you have a nice year. Thank you.
This student gets your girl boss.
I would like to thank Ms. Gator for making sure that the school is organized.
Thank you, Ms. Gomez, for being an awesome teacher. And thank you, Ms. Wilson, for making our classes fun.
Thank you, Ms. Peterson. Thank you, Ms. Thompson, for being a really nice English teacher, and you taught us a lot of things.
Thank you, Ms. Tammy, for making Spanish fun.
Thank you, Mr. Cooper, for teaching us how to be dramatic.
Thank you, Ms. Finch, for being a lovely chemistry teacher, even though last year it wasn't my favorite subject.
Thank you, Ms. White. Mr. Cargill is very nice.
Thank you, Mr. Cargill, for keeping biology interesting.
Mr. Gary, you're so funny.
Mr. Cole is really funny.
Thank you, Mr. Fadley, for being such a great teacher.
Thank you, Mr. Fadley.
Mr. Kosak is a pretty cool teacher. He makes sure that we're learning, and yeah, he's just pretty chill altogether, you know?
Mr. Phillips is very smart.
Mr. Phillips is very nice. Mr. Rogers, thanks for making physics fun. Mrs. Smith, thank you for teaching me math.
Thank you, Ms. Eiley, for teaching me French.
Thank you, Ms. Carey, for being so warm and kind and making homeroom really nice in the mornings.
Thank you, Mr. Alexander, for teaching me English and making it so much fun.
Thank you, Miss Alexander. You're the best teacher and you're so nice.
Thank you, Miss Davis, for being such a great teacher.
Thank you, Miss Davis, for always being patient with us.
Thank you, Miss Josie.
Thank you, Miss Josie, for making math fun.
Thank you, Miss Campbell.
Thank you for being the best Spanish teacher ever, Miss Sanchez.
Hi, Miss Sanchez. You make Spanish so fun.
Thank you, Miss Anderson, for making English so fun.
Thank you, Miss Anderson, for always being open and making great memories with us.
Thank you, Miss Bodie, for always coming in and checking up on us. Thank you, Miss Thompson, for helping me with English support.
Thank you, Miss Thompson, for making English super interesting and giving really great feedback on assignments.
Thank you, Miss Taylor, for always helping us with our work and answering our questions.
Thank you to the administration for everything you do for us.